Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. In today's video, we will address the issue of Android phone apps not working. This happens when an app stops functioning while you are using it. For instance, if your music stops playing halfway through a playlist. Being suddenly disconnected from an app is frustrating, and in some cases, the app may fail to run properly altogether. We are here to help you resolve these issues, so please watch this video carefully. It applies to a wide range of phone models, including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Are you wondering why your Android apps aren't working? It is certainly frustrating when apps fail to run, but there is no need to worry too much. Understanding the root causes will help you fix the problem and prevent it from happening again. Here are some potential causes. 1. Outdated apps. 2. Corrupted app data. 3. Insufficient storage space. 4. Software issues. 5. Network problems. Any of these factors could be the culprit behind the issue. Now that we understand the causes, let's try to fix the problem together. The following methods are simple and effective. Feel free to try them one by one. We are confident one of them will work for you. If the first attempt doesn't solve the issue, try again. We have seen cases where the problem was resolved after a few attempts. Finally, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment letting us know which method worked for you. Method 1. Restart your device. When an app keeps crashing or stopping on your Android phone, a simple restart might be all it takes to fix the issue. Restarting your device is safe, it simply reboots the system without causing any data loss. Please follow these steps to restart your Android device. Press and hold the power button on the side of the phone until the power menu appears on the screen. Tap the restart icon in the menu. Your device will then begin the restart process. Simply wait for it to finish rebooting, then test the app to see if it is working correctly. Method 2. Update the problematic app. If restarting your phone doesn't resolve the issue of apps not working, try updating the specific apps that are failing to run. The problem might be caused by outdated app versions, so updating them could likely fix the issue. Go to the Play Store to find and update the app. Once updated, the problem should be resolved if an outdated version was the cause. Method 3. Check your network connection. Apps require a network connection to function properly. If your Android device's network is unstable or not working, apps may fail to run. To troubleshoot this, check if your phone's network is working correctly. You can test the connection by opening other apps, watching videos, or listening to music. If the network is working fine, proceed to the next method. If not, please check your network settings and restore the connection. Method 4. Free up storage space. Installing or downloading too many apps can fill up your Android device's storage, leaving insufficient space for apps to run. To resolve the issue, free up some storage space. First, check if you have enough storage. If space is low, delete unused apps and files. To check storage, go to your phone's settings, find and tap General Management, or a similar option, then tap Storage to see if you have 15% or less free space remaining. If so, immediately clear the cache and delete unused apps. If you have sufficient storage space, try the next method. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall the app. You can also resolve the issue by uninstalling the problematic app and then reinstalling it. Uninstalling and reinstalling is an effective solution when an app suffers from data corruption or similar issues. Uninstall the app using your preferred method, then reinstall it. Once done, the issue with the app not working should be resolved. Method 6. Perform a system update. If your Android phone is running an outdated operating system, it may be incompatible with your apps, causing them to malfunction. Therefore, check if there is a new system update available. Open your phone's settings, find and tap System, or About Phone, then select Software Update or System Update. You will then be able to see if there are any pending system updates. If one is available, please install it immediately. Your Android phone may restart during or after the installation process. Wait for the restart to complete, then check if the problematic app is working normally again. Method 7 is to perform a factory reset on your Android device. If none of the above methods work, you have a final option, performing a factory reset to fix the issue with your Android apps. A factory reset will erase all data on your phone, so be sure to back up everything before proceeding, otherwise, all your data will be lost. Follow these steps to perform the factory reset. Open your phone settings, scroll down, and select General Management. Find and select Reset within the General Management menu, then tap Factory Data Reset. Your device will then begin the reset process. Please wait patiently for it to finish. Finally, reactivate and set up your phone. Re-download the apps that weren't working and try using them to see if the issue persists. Method 8 is to consult an expert. If you have tried the steps above but the problem remains, you should consult an expert. Take your phone to an authorized service center for your brand so that technicians can inspect and repair the device. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful and enjoyed the content, please like and share the video, and let us know in the comments which method solved your problem. We also welcome any feedback or suggestions for improvement in the comments section. Thank you, and good luck.